Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone. So
Hello.
we will start first with the S30, as you can see. Look at this. Okay, big push. Here, I told you in the morning, I don't know who was in the session. I told you that the Dow, that means a retracement, not a reverse, not a reversal, but this candle, even if one candle after a big push, it's a retracement for the Dow when it take a trend. Okay, look at the previous ones. Look at those. How many buys you can take all over this place. Okay, so that was a great push. Now we have like here a strong area. I'm gonna wait for it. I don't have any buy. I'm not gonna wait for the buy for tomorrow candle to open and continue because I might be risking for it. Okay, so I will wait for it. Let's check the 4 hours. Let me put those. Okay. Now on the 4 hours, look at this big push. I need a small retracement, at least 1 to 2 candles closing bearish, and then to continue the push up. Here we have like, oh, let me see how many, what's the range? And that's like 70, 80 pip. I will wait like a retracement. Okay, if we saw like a retracement, a good retracement, take your like Fibonacci on the 4 hours from the low. But until it closes, and it's still pushing up. I don't know where it's gonna stop, but it depends on here. Okay, it's like it closed over here, and you saw like retracing. See those levels. Okay, as much as it goes to those like the 0.5, 0.6, and then you saw it reversing, or even 0.3, it might like reverse from it. So that's a great catch to continue all this. And if like on this area, okay, that's like 200 pips. You see the difference? If it did it like it continued and start to like retrace over here and pushed up from this area, it's gonna be like higher, okay, and that's 100 pip. That there's like 100 pip, 90 pip different. Okay, so I'm not gonna put any buy. The sell is not like valid because it's too far for it. I need to see like a big move, then retracing, then like start to do like lower highs, okay, pushing down. Okay, I will see how it's gonna be. Okay, plus we will see this area and this area that it is on, and then today it might even continue the push. Let's see then. That's a big volume. So I'm not gonna put any buy until I see a retracement, and even like watch it, guys. Okay, watch to see a retracement. Then don't be in a hurry. Even if it opened wick down and pushing up one way, I don't take it. I don't risk it until I see a retracement, because always the market like work like waves, guys. Waves, 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 pushing, pushing, pushing. Okay. So the Dow, I'm gonna see it tomorrow. What it's gonna be doing for us. Okay. 1 second. So that's it for now for the Dow. Here, that's a very strong area, super strong area that pushed all the way one way, pushing one way up, it retraced and then pushed up. But it, yani, if it break this area, that's a new historical high. It's gonna be. I believe we're gonna hit 40, and I don't know. We will see at 40 where we can go. But I said it like before. If it kept this bullish momentum, it's gonna keep pushing for a good like new highs. Okay, we go for the gold. The gold even pushing bullish daily. That's great over here. one second. الماوس عم تعلق عندي أنا حاسس. Okay.
What a move for the gold
Yeah,
today.
the gold, even if you look how many, and this over here, that was a great buy. Look at this candle, it respected the previous low and then like closed with a big bullish
Mm.
body. After
Ah,
like it goes up, it started to be bullish, and it goes down, it retraced and then pushing bullish, guys. Look, it retraced and then pushed bullish. That's from 2361 till now, 2387. And that's 200 and more pips.
صح.
So I will wait for tomorrow. Even if you see, I need a wick, I need a good wick, a good small retracement at least. You put, look, that's a strong area. Okay, first you put this area. Okay, you will see. And I think it's gonna even that there is volume after CPI today. So it's still pushing. We will see where it's gonna close. Even the buy, it's and the market it's pushing good time. Okay, so the sells, I can't expect any sell until I see something a reversal. Okay, but for the bullish push, I need a small retracement and pushing up. Okay, so I'm gonna wait to see where it's gonna close. This candle like close. بعتقد الماركت ما راح يسكر اليوم، راح يضلوا عم طاير.
ايه it's non-stopping.
Yes, at all. So
It's
for the
ايه بعده
sell,
عم بيتحرك حتى على سترليني كمان بعده طالع
كله
ما
في big
شبع
volume.
ايه الفوليوم كان كتير قوي اليوم. راحت الانترنت. بعتقد وقفت شوي الانترنت عند ميغال. Who took the buy
Yes,
today on gold؟ ايه ميغال هلا
ايه
رجعت.
سمعت. ايه قطعت
لا
على
ايه
الواي ولا
كانت
قطعت
واقفة
رجعت على
صح.
الفور.
ما بيأثر.
Okay, so I told you about the gold. Now it's pushing good bullish. Okay, so we're gonna wait to see a retracement. Here we have area like strong areas even. We will see a retracement, then pushing up. I'm gonna start taking the buy to continue like securing on those areas. Okay, the strong areas and start leaving runners. But I need a retracement. Look at the 4 hours. Okay, on the daily it might be a good wick going down and then pushing up. On the 4 hours you will see it like pushing down. It might not reach this area. That's not like a fixed area. You need to see the setup. Like I need a push up, I need a retracement, and then a push up to take it and then manage the stop loss under this. Like it created the support to push back up. So you put your stop loss under it. يعني مش على القد يعني more like 2 3 pips 4 pips. Okay, from the lows. So I need a retracement and continue the buy. I will start taking one buys. Okay, as for the sell, it's even far. There's no sign for sell because now we're pushing, we're doing higher lows and highs, higher highs. You can see. Okay, the market switched. So I need a retracement to push to continue with it for a new higher high. So now I can't see any sell over here to take it as an intraday, not like scalping it. Okay, until I see how the market push down, how it reacts, then to see where to sell. Okay, that's a far sell. So that's it for gold. Let me see the 1 hour. That's a pushing. I need the retracement as I told you. Okay, so that's it for the gold. We go for GJ. GJ, there was great, honestly, opportunities to buy from all this area. I bought from down like that's crazy. That was crazy. Look, guys, look at this push. retrace, push, retrace, push, retrace. That's market structure. That's like trend, pushing like a trend. Okay, for an intraday. I was taking it as an intraday. Okay, first that's trend line. It hit it. It start to reverse from this area. That's your first buy. You take it. Okay, you can start it from this area after like forming a double bottom, kind of double bottom if you can see it on this trend line. So that's a strong confirmation first. Okay, if you didn't take it from this area, waited this area, it goes up one way. This was like without a wick and then pushing up. If you didn't risk it to take, this one opened and then it retraced over those areas. Okay, you will wait the break of this. That was a news because we had like GDP news. So look, it opened, it retraced. You will wait. Yeah, that's a small retracement, honestly. This one is great. Look at this. Look at this area, okay? Can someone write in the chat, do you see like something that sign like a reversal to take a buy from this area? Can you answer, guys? Let me see. No, not like a pattern, like the candles.
Yalla guys, I'm not gonna answer. Yes, Lydia.
Okay, that's great. Where do you mean?
The
This one?
dodgy star, exactly.
Okay. Okay. So that's a great confirmation that the market it retraced. Okay, but the thing I prefer like the GJ, not the gold, not US 30, GJ. Better look at this confirmation. And look at this confirmation and look at this confirmation. That's the difference. That's a very more accurate trade. This one. That was an amazing one. Okay, you see, it kept pushing up. That's the news. Forget the news. It hit, it goes down. Okay, look at this candle. It started, it closed a reversal candle. Okay, this one. Look at the second one. It respected this low and pushed, closed bullish as a reversal. And it started, look at this. It's reversing this candle. That's how I love to catch the trade with the trend from this high. Okay, the first you can start securing at 40 pips this high and you leave the runner. Okay, your stop loss under this, it was like that's 20, 30 pip. Okay, give it a bit. Okay, that was your entry. I will show you your minimum TP you look at. Okay, that was the look. That's you can go all this. You see this clean traffic, this push. Plus we're in a reversal, like not a reversal. We are pushing, sorry, bullish on a higher time frame. Okay, and we hit it this trend and then pushing up. Okay, look at your target. All this, that was my target, but I didn't take it one way. Honestly, I take it every day. I walk with it every day, one trade on GJ. Okay, look at this clean traffic. That's your minimum. I'm telling you, target is you take it. Okay, if you put it from this area, that's I'm talking about like leaving the trade. Okay, hey gold, Jean. Okay, that's 180 pip. شو 100 one second. 193, that's 188, 880. Okay. Uh, that was all the push. That's your first long-term target. Taking it as a swing, leaving it. Okay, you risked 30 pip for 100, yeah, 188. Okay, look, it pushed, it hit those areas. Okay, it retraced a bit. يعني guys الماركت بده يريح always ما تخافوا to miss a trade even if it was like going in your way one way, you're gonna be risking to take it. Catch the good trade that gives you like good amount of steps, okay, and you're good. So that's how you follow it, and always follow it. Okay, that was a great entry, as I was telling you. It pushed up, it retraced. That's a second entry, you can take it. Okay, look at all those. Okay, that's your normal resistance that you're gonna put this high, right? If it break it, I'm gonna continue with it. Look at those consolidation. This as a reversal. Those are reversal candles, and then this one opened, wick down, and pushing. That's your entry. Again, that's your entry. You put your stop loss. It's 50 pip. Don't be scared from the stop loss. You're taking the right. That's trend strategy, like going with the trend. Okay, and that's your first minimum TP 100 pip. You see how the market, like you walk with it. Okay, and then you continue to the highs from here till here. That's 253 pips, and that's a great opportunities to take them. Okay, again over here, look at those reversal candles retraced and then pushing up. That's again another the market is great, guys. That's why I'm happy about GJ, because look how you focus on one trade, on your strategy, on like what you learned. Okay, and don't be scared from the market. Never be scared. Trust it. Okay, so let me continue what we have, what we might have. My screen is okay. Good. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna be waiting the break of this area. Now we are too much bullish, so I need good confirmation for this sell. Okay, for sure with the retest. I'm gonna take it as retracing on the trend. Okay, that's the trend line. Retracing on the trend. Okay, with you put the Fibonacci from the high, from the low, sorry, to the high, and you work with it. That's this golden zone over this area. Okay, and you follow your trade. But if we continue to push up as a daily opening and then like making a good wick down and then breaking this, like denying this candle, I'm gonna take my buy at least like to this area over here. Not, I'm gonna take all the way. Okay. So that's it for the GJ. If GJ was amazing. Okay, we go for the euro. The euro still pushing like this low that there was big volume. It like broke it and continued to push. Now we are here on this area. That's a good area to wait for it. I keep not one candle, especially euro, not to open like pushing one way. No, I need a retracement, a good retracement. Okay, as a pushing down like those waves. Look at how it hit, and then breaking. Yes, I take it. Okay. So on the daily, we are pushing now bullish. The news helped it. That's how the buy, I'm gonna take it after the retracement on the 4 hour and breaking. The sell, I don't have any sell right now over here too, because after a big push, I can't predict where the sell until I see any candle, any pattern doing in the market. Okay. So that's the buy for the euro, breaking this strong area over here, retracing before it's breaking it. And the sell, nothing now. For now, like I'm not gonna put any. Okay, guys. So that's it. Lama, you do Geo.
Yes. Let me share. Okay, so today, the people who were in the session, first let me check the GU and see what happened. Okay, it's still going up. Yani today I sent 2 studies, one for the buy and one for the sell, but I sent also يعني deeper studies for the direction for the long term. Now I will show them to you. Okay, so for now I still need to wait the close of this candle. What a bullish candle, no way, and a daily bullish, and it was going up for a long time. So if we see here, it started reversing. We have 1, 2, 3 bullish candles going up one way. Okay, so let me see the 4 hours. Mm. Okay, so now today I was waiting here, the break, either going up or going down. It might hit here this trend line, the downtrend. It is clearer on the daily. Here is the trend. After breaking this trend, I was expecting a big push up. Okay, so it's gonna be either hitting here this downtrend, the red one. Okay, let me remove these. So here we have lower lows. Okay, breaking here will be like, always when we break a trend, it goes big time, either going down or going up. Okay, so I was waiting to reach here and see either it will retrace and go down or it will continue up. Mainly, I had 2 studies. Here today, it was here before breaking this trend. Okay, so I saw a symmetrical triangle with a high and lower high, low and higher low. So the symmetrical triangle is not like the other triangles. Okay, mainly it has here, let me explain. Here the first I don't know what we call it. If you want, the triangle, they are uh, arriving, they are reaching each other. Okay, so this is how I know, I can see it a symmetrical triangle. Also, it is a continuation pattern. So mainly if it was going down here, the trend before the symmetrical triangle, it means that it needs to continue down. But I needed to wait the fourth wave because this is the downtrend. So the first wave against the trend will be my wave 1. Then wave 2, this one, wave 3, the up, then the 4. I had to wait for the wave 4, otherwise it's not a triangle. We see a formation of a triangle. So it didn't happen, then this study is not valid anymore. Okay. Also, I saw here an Elliott wave going down. Also here, from this point, that before the break of the trend. Okay, I was checking the studies and see what are my options in the market. So if we see here, we have the first wave going down of the Elliott wave. Here I always use the Fibonacci retracement. Before, how can I see if this is an Elliott wave? Mainly at 90%, it starts when I measure the second wave, because the first wave, I cannot measure it. It will happen either up or down. Okay, so when it retraces down, I use the Fibonacci and see from the lowest point to the highest point using the Fibonacci, I will see how much this trend, the downtrend, it reverse ردت من أول طلعة لأنه after a wave up we have a wave down and vice versa. So the Fibonacci will help me to see how much it retraced down, and using the Fibonacci reaching 50%, okay, or 32%. So here I understand that it retraced, and now I start expecting that it will continue the move, okay, either up or down. So I use, of course, the Fibonacci extension to expect how much, let's say, it will extend because it is extending. يعني عم تمخط لقدام. Here is the retracement of this extension. So here I use the Fibonacci retracement. يعني اسم على مسمى. It's very easy. Okay. I want you guys also to start using the Fibonacci to make your study like based on like measurements and science. Another Elliott wave, and this Elliott wave was the valid one because the previous one was not valid. Why? Because the candle broke the trend from here, okay, and continued up. So now this study also is not valid anymore. That's why it is always important to wait for the London session to open and make the wick down, continue up. Yani we need confirmation. The study can be perfectly done, but it will not happen if I do not wait for the market yani, to open. Okay, so what happened is here. The break of this trend showed me a big move up. And mainly this is how, yani here we will start seeing candles happening. Of course, we will have like candles going down, red candles at some point because it will take a break at some point. The trend will take a break, but it might reach here, this level, and then retrace at this point. Let's see how much يعني the Elliott wave will be يعني done. Okay, so this is it for the Elliott wave. هلا concerning the study also before breaking here this point, which is like a major point. Okay, so I saw a support line, which gives me, let me make it clear. This support line will gives me a confirmation for a reversal. يعني only when it breaks it, only when we break this support. Reaching here this trend, it's gonna be either going up or reaching here and then start reversing. Okay, or it might be like a retracement, small retracement, then it will continue up. Yani I had two options. Okay, sorry guys, I'm a little bit tired today. That's why I can barely talk. Okay, so reaching here, the trend will give me the confirmation. Breaking it will be the buy. Reversing here will be the sell. And not only يعني the sell should break this support. Okay, because it might be a red candle like this one, taking a small break and then continue up. So that's why we always have to have like confirmations and be like always securing ourselves. مش انه هيك يلا I put the trade خلص they send a buy opportunity we take the buy. No. Okay. We need confirmations. We never know what might happen. Here is the buy opportunity. So after breaking this resistance line, also breaking this downtrend will be the buy. And that's what happened. It broke and continued up. Also, the CPI made the move or the volume very strong. Yani the bullish volume was very strong today. So yani people managed to benefit from the trade and take the buy. They made profits. We made around 20 pips and it continued. I always get out of the market even if I have to cut my profits, but better to be secure than being sorry. Okay, because during the CPI, I cannot trade on my funded account. You can trade on a real account, regular account, even if the spread will become big because we will have a price slippage during this time because the volume it becomes very like liquid, so it causes a big spread. That's why it's better. It's risky. It is risky to trade on during the news. For me personally, I don't trade during the news, but some people, مثلا today, Abdullah, he made $500, $494 from one trade, but on the US 30. So people sometimes they take trades on the news. Of course, they need to like be advanced when it comes to trading with a lot of practice on a demo account. Let me share back my screen. Okay, so here mainly I prefer to wait and see what will happen. Maybe, of course, after all this way up, we might see some retracement. Okay, so we might see a retracement here. Maybe we can benefit from a sell. I always benefit, by the way, this is my, my secret. After all, after a way up, I always wait to reach a resistance line or a resistance zone, and then I benefit from a sell or a reversal. It can be a big reversal or it can be a small retracement. So I can scalp the retracement around 20 to 30 pips. This is something that I can do maybe on 1 hour or 30 minutes, or it can continue up. So that's why here I can find the two opportunities. Breaking up can be the buy, and here reaching here, you can keep in mind something. This is something that I learned from practicing. Every time I see a resistance, okay, I see two opportunities. Breaking the resistance can be a buy opportunity, and also reaching a resistance can give me a sell opportunity where it can be a reversal or a retracement for a few pips, 20 to 30 pips. Also, reaching a support line can be an option for two things. The support, when we reach here a support, okay? Either reaching here and not breaking it will be a reversal, a reversing trend, going up, we take the buy from here, or breaking it down can be a sell. Okay, as simple as that. هلا also retracing here, if it reaches here, goes up a little bit, maybe it is a small like retest or retracement, it might continue down. So we can benefit on a lower time frame, 30 minutes or 1 hour, to take the buy, and then we continue regularly. Okay, we see what will happen. No, I deleted the studies by mistake. Okay, so this is it for me. I prefer to wait for the close of the market, and then I will see how, the next day, the opportunities. Miguel, if you want to share also,
لا
if you
all the same يعني.
if you have anything on the
Um,
GU.
GU still the same يعني, nothing, not much. I will put
Okay, so
like GU, even what I'm seeing, like this trend. Still, I'm still with this trend. If you remember that, look, this hit pushed down. Now it's retracing to continue, and we might even break this trend to continue the push up. Okay, to take it for a longer term, you need to see like a break, retracement, and then pushing up. That's a great entry to go for it as a long trade, long term. Okay, that's bigger time frame. But for now, still, I'm not. It's pushing. That's a great push. Today was a great push. So I'm gonna wait even to see this. Here we have a strong area. So that's I'm gonna be like far a bit for the buy on the daily. And that's 30 pip. You can take it intraday. Okay. But as for daily swing, we need to be careful from this area. You need to wait a retracement and then pushing up. You can catch your buy. You will see how it's gonna be like the market pushing. Okay. انا قطش عندي right.
شوي صغيرة بس إنه we got the point.
Yes, so that's it. Yani, there's nothing for the sales. I don't have anything for sales now. I'm gonna be waiting. Yani, tomorrow we will see after the news, after everything it passed, how the market will be like pushing.
Yes.
Okay, anyone have any question, guys? Anything? Yes, Sandra.